it.
Okay.
I'm gonna buy this tablet, $40. I got the money, but I need you to go to the ATM and get the money, the $40, so I can give her, but she put the money down for me. I gotta give her $40. You're gonna have to go to the ATM because the time the admins get here, they're gonna, you don't know what time it is.
Go on, come on.
You gotta go to the ATM. So we'll have the money when the payments get here.
Is she texting you right now?
No. But she said soon.
After you said that you need 4 more,
Yes.
she texted back soon.
Yes. I told her 8, of course. I told her 8 altogether. So you go to the ATM and I'm gonna give her the 40, okay?
Gonna walk there.
Yeah.
Right?
That's the whole reason why I wanted you to cover it for me, so I get it later. I'm gonna have to walk right now.
Well, I gotta get back there to the money there. So she paid.